Dear all, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the habitat, epidemiology, morphology and life cycle of Leishmania donovani. Contents of the video include general overview, geographical distribution, habitat, epidemiology, morphology of Leishmania donovani and finally its life cycle. Leishmania donovani is an obligatory intracellular protozoa. It causes visceral leishmaniasis or kala-azar or black fever. They are called hemoflagellates because these flagellated protozoa are found in peripheral blood circulation. They comes under phylum Euglenozoa. It was named after two scientists, Sir William Bog Leishman and Sir Charles Donovan, in the year 1903. They are endemic in many places in India, China, Africa, Southern Europe, South America, and Russia. In India, it is especially common in Assam and Bengal along the coasts of the Ganges and the Brahmaputra. It is also endemic in Bihar, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, and eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh as far as Lucknow. The Amastigote form of Leishmania donovani is found in the reticuloendothelial system of human. They are found mostly within the macrophages in the spleen, liver, bone marrow, and less often in other locations such as skin, intestinal mucosa, and mesenteric lymph nodes. Leishmaniasis occurs in 98 countries, most of them developing countries of tropical and temperate regions. More than 350 million people are at risk with an overall prevalence of 12 million. 2 million cases occur annually, of which 1 to 1.5 million are cutaneous leishmaniasis and 5 lakh are visceral leishmaniasis. 90% cases of visceral leishmaniasis has been reported from India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sudan and Brazil. In Indian subcontinents, visceral leishmaniasis is anthroponotic, while zoonotic visceral leishmaniasis is reported from Middle East, Pakistan and other countries from Western Asia to China. In India, Bihar is affected the most, followed by Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh. 48 districts with more than 165 millions of people are at risk. In 2012, more than 20,000 cases are reported from India with 23 deaths. In this diagram, I will discuss the morphological characteristics of Leishmania donovani. The parasite exists in two stages, Amastigote stage or Aflagellar stage and Promastigote stage or Flagellar stage. This is Amastigote stage. It is a round or oval body measuring 2 to 4 micrometer along the longitudinal axis. Cell membrane is delicate and can be demonstrated in fresh specimens only. Nucleus measures less than 1 micrometer in diameter. It is oval or round and is usually situated in the middle of the cells or along the side of cell wall. This is kinetoplast, lies tangentially or at right angles to the nucleus. It comprises a DNA containing body and a mitochondrial structure. It is axoneme or rhizoplast. It is a delicate filament and represents the root of the flagellum. There is a clear, unstained space lying alongside the axoneme called vacuole. This is promastigote or flagellar stage. This stage of the parasite is only encountered in cultures or in insect vectors, sandflies. The fully developed ones are long, slender, spindle-shaped bodies measuring 15 to 20 micrometer in length by 1 to 2 micrometer in breadth. Nucleus is situated centrally. Kinetoplast lies transversely near the anterior end. A light staining area called vacuole is lying in front of the kinetoplast over which the root of the flagellum runs. Flagellum may be of the same length as the body or even longer. So this is all about the morphological features of Leishmania donovani. Leishmania donovani completes its life cycle in two hosts: definitive host, human, dog, and other mammals; intermediate host, an insect vector, female sandfly. Promastigote form present in midgut of female sandfly is the infective form to vertebrate hosts. Humans acquire infection by bite of an infected female sandfly, mainly during the late evening or the night time. Minimum 10 to 1000 promastigotes per infective bite are required to initiate the infection. It can also be transmitted vertically from mother to fetus by blood transfusion and accidental inoculation in the laboratory. Incubation period usually 2 to 8 months. Occasionally, it may be as short as 10 days or as long as 2 years. In this diagram, I will discuss the life cycle of Leishmania donovani. Vertebrate hosts, including human, acquire infection by bite of an infected female sandfly. Promastigotes are regurgitated from the midgut rarely or directly discharged from foregut or proboscis and deposited in punctured wound of the skin. Promastigotes are then phagocytosed by the skin macrophages. Next, promastigotes will transform into amastigote forms within 12 to 24 hours. The amastigotes then multiply in number inside the macrophages. Then the macrophages will rupture and release of amastigotes into the circulation. Most of the amastigote forms are carried out in the circulation to various organs like liver, spleen, bone marrow, and invade the reticuloendothelial cells like macrophages, monocytes, polymorphonuclear leukocytes, etc. Small number of LD bodies can be found in peripheral blood inside neutrophils or monocytes. Now, during the blood meal taken up by the female sandfly, the amastigotes are ingested and transformed into promastigote forms in the insect midgut. A small portion of promastigote forms migrate to the foregut or proboscis. Then again, they infect a new host during another blood meal and the cycle continues. So, this is all about the habitat, epidemiology, morphology, and life cycle of Leishmania donovani. If you have any query, please write in the comment section. Like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new video. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.